Oh, so it's Tristan here from ZebraInvest. I was just reading through a chap's post on Progressive, who's started deal sourcing, but just looking to try and find opportunities in his area and struggling to find anyone who's really motivated or something that needs doing up. So I'm just going to put in an area just to give you an idea on Zoopla. So let's just head over to Kings Lynn, which is a place in Norfolk. Usually I like to say look for houses. Let's say it's 3 bedrooms plus. And then what I'm going to do here in keywords is you can set in keywords that you want to find in those listings. So if we just go in here and, for example, let's put in no chain, then this is quite a simple search. We'll get rid of the new homes, get rid of the shared ownership, the auctions, and we don't want to see the sold. And by sorting by most recent, then we can wiggle head to the end to find the oldest properties. So if we just click search, and here you go, you can see 29 properties that are coming up that have no chain. So what I'm going to do is the age-old technique of heading to the very end of the results, and then here you're going to start seeing properties where they're sitting on the market and they don't have anyone in there, and maybe they're good ideas or properties to be able to do up, because let's have a quick look in here. Because chain free usually means say a landlord who's selling the property because they've rented it out for a while and they no longer want someone renting or living in their property. It can also be a good indicator of places when people have, say, passed away because they're no longer living at the property, so there's no one going to be buying at the end of it. It can also be where there's divorce, and so this can be quite a good example. So here I've actually, by the looks of things, come across a property that's reasonably nice. That you can see the kitchen might need doing there. The bathrooms have definitely seen better days too. So it's had a quick coat of paint, and it looks like an okay bathroom upstairs as well. So as I said, I'm not sure what's going on here, but this looks like it's a flip where it's just sat on the market for too long. So you could then, I'm just having a look to see if there's any sold data. You can see they've just kept reducing it over time, they're keeping reducing it, so they're clearly quite motivated to sell. So you might be able to get in touch with this person and say, hey, like your property, what can we do? You might be able to source on it or something like that. So hopefully that's a good explanation of how you could use Zoopla to find some slightly more motivated sellers than you are now. Good luck, and if you've got any questions, just comment them below.